Some important 2 mark sums in circles. The first one, if the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 has the center at 2, 3, then find AB and the radius of the circle. Find AB and radius. First write the given equation of circle. X square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. This is in the form of general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. To find AB, we just compare with this. So 2g equal to, the x coefficient is 2g, which is equal to a, and 2f equal to y coefficient, which is equal to b. From this, g equal to a by 2, f equal to b by 2. But given center, two comma 3, but center formula is minus g comma minus f. So from this, g equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 3, and substitute in the above AB. Therefore a equal to 2 into minus 2 and b equal to 2 into f is minus 3. So this is minus 6 and it is minus 4. So we got a, b values, and from the equation we can compare c equal to minus 12 and c equal to minus 12. This is helpful in finding the radius. Okay, now the radius formula is under root g square plus f square minus c. So g is minus 2 whole square is 4, under root f is minus 3 whole square is 9, and minus c is minus 12, so it will be plus 12, so which is equal to 25. So 5 is the radius. So AB, A is minus 4, B is minus 6, and radius is 5. Okay, the second question is find the center and radius of the circle. So the circle equation is given equation of circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 equal to 0. Compare this equation with the general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So while comparing, 2g equal to minus 4, then g equal to minus 4 by 2. So directly you can write, to get the center is minus g comma minus f. So to get the center, just take half of 4 and change the sign. Take half of x coefficient, that is 4 by 2 and change the sign, minus, it will be plus in the center. Okay, because minus g. Okay, next y coefficient is minus 8. Take half of 8, which is 8 by 2 is 4, and take opposite sign. Opposite sign means here it is minus, but take plus. So 2 comma 4 is the center. And radius, root of g square plus f square minus c is the radius. So g is minus 2, because minus g is 2, then g is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16. And c is minus 41, so it will be plus 41 here. Root 61. Third one, find the center and radius of the circle. Under root 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy. Okay, while finding the center and radius, the x square and y square coefficient must be 1. But here it is root of 1 plus m square is there. So divide throughout with root of 1 plus m square. So it will be x square plus y square minus 2c by under root 1 plus m square x minus 2mc by under root 1 plus m square equal to 0. Okay, here now x square and y square coefficient is 1. So we can easily find center and radius. So center Center directly how to write what I said, x coefficient, take the coefficient of x and make it into half. Half means divide with 2. So 2c by root of 1 plus m square by 2 gives us c by root of 1 plus m square. Okay, and opposite sign, so it is minus but write plus. Okay, here also 2mc, this is y coefficient. So y coefficient half is mc by under root 1 plus m square. Okay, and minus is there, so it is plus. This is the center. Okay, now radius under root g square plus f square minus c. So g square, g is here, minus c by under root 1 plus m square. So square of this is c square by 1 plus m square. C square by 1 plus m square plus f square is minus mc by root of 1 plus m square. So square of this is m square c square by 1 plus m square. M square c square by 1 plus m square, and there is no c in the given equation of circle because constant is not there here. So constant is 0. C is 0. So minus 0. This is completely under root. So take 1 plus m square LCM, then c square plus m square c square. Take c square common, so 1 plus m square by under root 1 plus m square. So 1 plus m square is also cancelled. So under root c square is equal to c. So radius equal to c units. Question number 4. Find the equation of circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2 and which passes through 5 comma 6. Here only center and passing point of the circle is given. So by using these two we are going to find the equation of circle. So what is given? Given center C equal to minus 1 comma 2 and passing point we are taking it as P. Any passing point we can take it as P. Okay, now equation of circle, to find the equation of circle we need the radius. So what is the distance CP? The CP distance if you find it will be equal to radius. So R equal to CP, radius equal to distance between these 2 points C and P. So distance between 2 points formula, CP distance is 5 plus 1 whole square, 6 minus 2 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 square is 36 and 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16. So it is equal to under root 52 is the radius. Here given center is C equal to minus 1 comma 2. So actually C equal to minus G comma minus F, but C is already given, so we can also take it as H comma K, center H comma K, and radius is we got root 52. Under root 52. So by using this equation of circle can be written as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is another form of circle. When we have to use this type of circle equation, if the center and radius are given, then you can use this type of equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, and h comma k is minus 1 and 2. So x minus h, minus 1 becomes plus 1 here, and y minus k means plus 2 becomes minus 2 here. So r is under root 52. So under root 52 whole square, square root get be cancelled. Expand this, x square plus 1 plus 2x, and this is a minus b whole square form, y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 52. So x square after immediately write y square, and after that 2x minus 4y and all the constant terms 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 52. So 5 minus 52 minus 47 equal to 0 is the required equation of circle. This is example problem. Next question is, find the equation of circle passing through 2 comma minus 1 and having the center at 2 comma 3. This is the same type. Given center is 2 comma 3. Okay, and passing point, let it be P equal to 2 comma minus 1. If C and P are given, you have to find the radius equal to CP, distance between these 2 points. So 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay, the distance formula actually x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We can also write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So I used this one. Second one, 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is 0, 4 square is 16, so root 16 is 4. So radius is 4. Okay, in this type the center can be taken as h comma k. Now the equation of circle is, required equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, and x minus h is plus 2 becomes minus 2 whole square, y minus k, so plus 3 becomes minus 3, and radius is 4, so 4 square is 16. So expansion of x minus 2 whole square is x square plus 4 minus 4x, y square plus 9 minus 6y, 4 square is 16, so it will be minus 16 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 minus 16 is minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. Find the equation of circle passing through 3 comma 4 and having the center at, this is also the same type. Given center 3 comma 4 and radius is, passing point is minus 3 comma, passing through 3 comma 4, and this is minus 3 comma 4, center is 3 comma 4 and passing point is 3 comma 4, and find the radius which is equal to distance between these 2 points. So minus 3 whole square, minus 3, take the opposite side. Okay, plus 4 minus 4, 0. So minus 6 square, which is equal to 36, so 6. Radius equal to 6. Therefore equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus center is h comma k, so minus 3 is plus 3, so y minus 4 whole square equal to 6 square. So x square plus 9 plus 6x, y square plus 16 minus 4 2s are 8y equal to 36. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 36, which is minus 36. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 minus 36 is minus 11 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of circle. Next question is, find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represents a circle, and also find its radius. So find radius and find a. Find the value of a. Given equation of circle, 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Compare this equation with the general equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. But This is actually in the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So the pair of straight lines will be an equation of circle if a equal to b and h equal to 0, because there is no xy term here, 2hxy term. So a square b square x square coefficient y square coefficient must be equal. So then that is an equation of circle. So in equation of circle, both the coefficients of x square and y square must be equal. So here 2 equal to a. Here it is 2. So this is also 2. If it is 3, and this must be 3. So a equal to 2. From this equation, a equal to 2, since coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. So to get an equation of circle, both coefficients must be equal. So a equal to 2. So a is 2. Okay, substitute 2 here. 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, but to find the center and radius, center or radius, x square and y square coefficient must be 1. So now divide the equation with 2. So minus 3 by 2x plus 2 by 2y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Here the center is, how to find the center? Take the coefficient of x and half of 3 by 2 will be 3 by 4. And opposite sign minus, but here plus. Okay, y coefficient is 1, half of 1 is 1 by 2, but here it is plus. Take the opposite sign, because in the center formula it will be minus g minus f. That is the reason. Now radius under root, actually center is not asking in this question, but we are writing center also. So radius is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, in whole square it will be plus, always positive only. That's why directly I am writing 9 by 16 plus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, and c is here, c is minus 1 by 2. So take opposite, because g square plus f square minus c, and 16 is LCM. 16. So 9 plus 4 plus 8. So root 21 by root 16 is 4 square units. Sorry, it is just units, because it is a radius. Next question, find the values of AB if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 represents a circle. Also find AB, also find the radius and the center. There are 3 questions in this. Find AB and radius center. So this is the given equation of circle. Okay, this is the given equation of circle. Ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. But what we learned from the equation of circle, there won't be xy coefficient. Xy coefficient must be 0. This term must not be there in the circle equation, because in the equation of circle it is a ax square, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Okay, but bxy term must be 0. So to get 0, b is 0. So find AB means b value must be 0. This is 0. And what is a? Okay, and in the circle equation, the coefficient of x square must be equal to coefficient of y square. Therefore a equal to 3. Okay, in the equation of circle, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Therefore a equal to 3 and b equal to 0. Next, radius and center. Substitute these two in the above equation. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. But to find the center and radius, x square and y square coefficient must be 1. So divide this equation with 3. So x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 3 by 3 is 1 equal to 0. So from this we can find center. Center is half of 5 by 3 is 5 by 6 and minus it will be plus, and half of 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 and plus becomes minus here. So radius is 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6 whole square. So 25 by 36 and 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9, and C is, what is C? C is minus 1, so it is plus 1. Sorry, plus 1. So 36 is LCM. So 25 plus 9 4s are 36, and here 1 into 36 is 36. So this is 65 by 36 under root. So root 65 by root 36 is 6 units. This is the radius.